Hi everyone, I am Dr. A. Sedubadi, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. I welcome you all in my video lecture series on the topic of stone properties and uses in civil engineering. So, in classical olden days, we are using for building the uh, buildings by using the stones only. So, the stone is the most important in the building materials. So this is used in the ancient times and all the worldwide we see the stone buildings are very strong. Nowadays we also see in some sort stone buildings built by the classical and uh, ancient times. For example, in India, most of the temples are built by the stones. So in stones, we are using the purpose of the walls and roofings, floorings, every areas covered by the stone materials. So the stone material, one of the most important in civil engineering, structural and buildings. So how we will get the stones and what are the types of stones and how we use in the stones for the buildings. So why we are using in the stones? So the stone is the timeless building materials. It is usually in the before 5,000 years from the pyramids of Giza and modern skyscrapers. Stone has stood the test of time. So the pyramids also built by the stones. So why they are using the stones means the first point is durability. The stones are having more durability compared to other materials like brick and some other civil building materials. So the stones are using before 5,000 years. Most of the buildings are built by the stones. Then energy efficient stones, thermal mass regulates temperatures and reducing heating and cooling costs. So the stone will be withstand resist the temperatures comparatively other materials and sustainability for eco-friendly and environmentally responsible when surrounded locally. So these are all the main points we are using in the stone materials for the buildings. So this is the type of stones. There are mostly three type of main stones constructions. One is the igneous rocks and another one is sedimentary rock and metamorphic rocks. So these three type of stone materials we are using in the building constructions. So igneous rocks, it is formed by the magma, deep cooled magma, deep underground, extremely hard and durable. Prefer for heavy duty applications. So this larva or magma liquid material is cooled after we are getting the igneous rocks. So this will be used for granite and basalt. So granites are the one of the classification from the igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks. Another one is created by the sediment compaction over millions of years, easier to shape with distinctive layer appearance. So this is the layer by layer, it will be formed as a sedimentary rocks. It is created by the compaction of pressure and some other environmental changes we are getting in the sedimentary rocks. For example, limestone and sandstones. Then third one is metamorphic rocks. This is transformed by the intense heat and pressure in the underground of the earth. So dense structure with unique textures and veining patterns. So this will be a strongest in the stones. It will be created by natural, by pressure and heat. So for example, marbles and slates. So we will see marbles have the many type of structures, many type of designs, then colors. So this will be created in the metamorphic rocks. So these are all mostly used in the flooring purpose and foundation purpose. So this is the igneous rock and how it will be manufactured or created. Already we discussed. For these igneous rocks, most one of the classification is granite. Nowadays we are using most of the buildings flooring purpose for using the granites. And next one is sedimentary rocks. The picture shows how it will be formed in the layer by layer. So formation process is created by layer of sediments, sand, cells. So this is the ingredient of the sedimentary rocks, organic matters, sand, cells. So this will be compacted over million of years, often containing ancient fossils. So this will be used for the limestones and sandstones. So these applications, wall cladding, flooring, and cement production. One of the main ingredient is limestone for cement production. The third one is metamorphic rocks. This is for the only aesthetic purpose, beauty and strength combined. So how it will be transformed by heat and pressure of the environment. So the marble is the example of this metamorphic rocks. So these are all the composites of the three type of stones, granite and limestone and marble characteristics. So these three type of stones we are mostly used in the civil engineering building constructions. Thank you.